Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare egg and potato rice. The ingredients that are required to prepare egg and potato rice are rice. This is completely cooked one. We can also utilize the leftover rice. 2 eggs, potatoes. I have taken 2 small potatoes and cut them into cubes. Onion. This is 2 medium-sized onions, chopped. Green chilies. This is optional. If you're preparing it for a child, you can skip this. Tomatoes chopped. Salt. Black pepper powder. Apart from this, we are going to use oil for cooking. So now, let's start cooking. We'll heat little oil in the pan, and by the time the oil is getting heated, we'll take the potatoes and we will sprinkle little salt and we'll mix the potatoes and the salt properly. The very first thing we are going to do is we are going to first fry these potatoes. It's mixed well. And here our oil is also heated. I've used 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I will add these potatoes to the oil. And we'll fry these potatoes. Our potatoes are completely fried, as you can see. Now we will take this out and remove it in a separate plate. Now here we have taken it out in a separate plate, and now after taking out the potatoes, we still have some oil left in the pan. So I'm going to fry the eggs in this leftover oil only. I have added little salt and I have beaten both the eggs. Now I'm going to fry it. We are going to scramble the eggs. Our scrambled egg is ready. Now we'll transfer this also into this plate. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. And we'll heat this oil. And now we are going to add the chopped onions. Saute this just for a few seconds. Now add the tomatoes and the green chilies. saute everything for 5 minutes. After sauteing it for 5 minutes, I'll add the black pepper powder, salt as per our taste, and we'll mix everything together. Now we are going to add the rice. We'll add the rice little by little. Now when the rice is mixed, I have little more rice. I'll add little bit. Again I'll mix the second part. This is done so that the rice is well coated with the onions and tomatoes and chili. Now our rice is well coated with all the spices, and also the flavor of the tomato and the onion is absorbed by the rice. So now I am going to add the fried eggs and the potatoes to this. And then I am going to mix it. Here, our egg and potato rice is now ready. I'll put off the flame. Here our egg and potato rice is now ready. This is a perfect tiffin recipe. And children will love this out because as they love egg and there's a potato fries in it. You can reduce the chili if you're preparing for a child. I hope you liked my recipe. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel and click to the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you soon.